7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, +1, +2, +3, +4.
L40 ignition nominal, S139
Lift off
ignited,
normal.
and vehicle lifts off from the launch pad.
बिल्कुल सामान प्रज्वलन और व्हीकल का प्रक्षेपण.
So vehicle lift off normal, and performance of L40s and S139 has been indicated as
First
normal.
stage performance normal.
पूरी गर्जना के साथ जमीन के हरित और विशालकाय समुद्र को अलविदा कहता हुआ GSLV-F08 अपनी उस यात्रा पर निकल पड़ा है जहां से उसे गंतव्य के अंतिम चरण पर भारतीय संचार उपग्रह GSLV-ASF-6A को अंतरिक्ष में प्रक्षेपित करना है. आप अपने स्क्रीन पर बाकायदा इसके गंतव्य पथ को देख पा रहे हैं.
So 52 seconds into the flight, the vehicle has crossed the atmospheric phase, which is a very critical phase. Right now it is
+1 minute.
11 kilometers. And as per the flight sequence, we will have the burnout of S139 stage at 110 seconds when the vehicle would have reached an altitude of around 42.
Sharp 1 in main auto.
So at 75 seconds, performance
Sharp
is
2 in main auto.
very normal in terms of time versus altitude and time
First
versus
stage performance
velocity.
normal.
So after the S139 burnout, we will have the liquid strap-ons burning for the next 40 seconds. And after the L40 burns out, together the 4 liquid strap-ons and S139 will get separated at 151 seconds. So we are at 100 seconds exactly, altitude around 35 kilometers, and a velocity of 1.5 kilometers.
S139 burnout normal.
So we just heard the announcement, S139 was burnt out at 109 seconds.
+2 minutes.
जी हाँ, जो कोर स्टेज थी S139 वो प्रक्षेपण से बर्न आउट हो चुकी है. इस समय एक स्क्रीन के आप जो देख पा रहे होंगे वो बाकायदा GSLV को अंतिम बिंदु की तरह आगे बढ़ते हुए इस समय हम
First stage performance
कुछ ही
normal.
क्षणों में 150 सेकंड के आसपास द्वितीय चरण के इग्निशन का और प्रथम चरण के पृथक्करण का क्षण देख सकेंगे.
So the event,
L40 engine shut off.
yes, L40 engine has been shut
Second
off
stage ignited.
at 149 seconds. The second stage has been ignited, and the first stage separation successfully completed at 152 seconds.
बड़ी ही महत्वपूर्ण घड़ियां होती हैं जब ये द्वितीय चरण इग्नाइट होता है या प्रज्वलित होता है, प्रथम चरण अलग होता है. इसी के साथ ही जो इंटर स्टेज था वो भी अलग हो चुका
Second
है
stage performance normal.
और द्वितीय चरण का जो निष्पादन है वो पूरी तरह से सामान्य.
So we just heard the second stage performance is normal. The flight time is 185 seconds, and the vehicle has reached an altitude of around 97 kilometers. The next very important event that we await is at 225 seconds, which is around 30 seconds from now, when the vehicle would have reached an altitude of 115 kilometers, when the heat shield or the payload fairing separation would happen. Right now, heat shield is protecting the spacecraft from the dense atmospheric phase. It has crossed from liftoff to this phase. So 215 seconds, another 10 seconds to go before we have the view of the payload fairing separation.
जी हाँ, ऊष्मीय सुरक्षा कवच के अलग
Payload fairing separated.
Payloड fairing successfully separated at 226 seconds.
सफलतापूर्वक पेलोड फेयरिंग ऊष्मीय सुरक्षा अलग हो गई और इस समय उपग्रह जो है वातावरण से
+4 minutes.
पूरी तरह से आमने सामने. आप अपने टीवी स्क्रीन पर जो ग्राफ देख पा रहे हैं उसमें क्षैतिज अक्ष एक्स पर समय तथा ऊर्ध्वाधर अक्ष वाई पर ऊंचाई और वेग को प्रदर्शित किया गया है. यान के अनुमानित पथ को पहले अंकित कर उसकी तुलना अभिलेखित पथ से की जाती है. इसी तुलना को आप चमकते हुए बिंदु के रूप में देख पा रहे हैं जो हूबहू अनुमानित पथ को अनुकरणित करते हुए अपने निर्दिष्ट पथ पर अग्रसर है. इस समय हम करीब 4.4 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड का वेग प्राप्त कर चुके हैं और इस समय 270 सेकंड समय व्यतीत कर चुके हैं.
So right now we are at 275 seconds, the altitude 131, and the relative velocity of around 4.9 kilometer per second. In the next,
Second stage engine shut off.
yes, we just heard the announcement. GS2 has been shut off
और
and it
अलग
has
भी
been
हो गया है
separated.
कृष्ण जी.
It has been separated.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's good news. GS2 द्वितीय चरण जो है वो अलग हो चुका है और अगला जो है
Plus 5 minutes.
First stage ignition confirmed.
And cryogenic ignition stage has been ignited and it has been confirmed. The event has happened at 298.7 seconds. And the cryogenic ignition has been confirmed. The cryogenic stage is going to burn for the next 700 plus seconds before it imparts the orbital velocity to the satellite to the extent of around 10.2 kilometer per second, which is the inertial velocity. And this
Cryo stage performance normal.
event should happen up to at 1066 seconds. Right now we are at 336 seconds into the flight. The altitude around 138 kilometers. And if you look at the downrange, the vehicle has crossed from the time it has lifted out from the launch base. It is nearly 900 kilometers from Shar now. And the vehicle has achieved a relative velocity of 5.13. Now, if you look at the total velocity breakup, the first, second, and the upper stage gives to the satellite before it goes into the geosynchronous transfer
Cryo stage
orbit.
performance normal.
The cryogenic stage imparts almost 50% of the velocity to enable it to reach the final destined orbit.